After 15 months of relentless war, children in Gaza finally have a temporary ceasefire. But it is only part of what children in Gaza need. Here are 5 things that children in Gaza urgently need right now. First, they need more of the food, more of the medicine, the blankets, the tents that UNICEF is trucking into Gaza. And that means continued safe and unobstructed access for aid workers. Second, Gaza's children need to catch up on the vaccines and the immunisation. They need more and more safe water and sanitation to prevent disease outbreaks. This means making urgent repairs to water infrastructure. Third, children in Gaza need functioning hospitals with a lot more capacity. Right now, more than 80% of health facilities in Gaza are either damaged or destroyed, and there are tens of thousands of girls and boys with severe injuries, with chronic diseases and complex medical conditions. So this means we need to restock critical medical supplies for children, and there is so much infrastructure repair that needs to occur. On top of that, thousands of girls and boys in Gaza urgently need medical evacuation right now. 4. Children need to be able to return to their homes, and that means road repair, that means rubble removal, that means raising awareness of unexploded ordnance that continues to be a threat to children even when the bombs stop falling. Lastly, and most critically, this ceasefire must become a permanent ceasefire. If the fighting restarts, all this progress is lost. The cost of this war on the children of Gaza is already unimaginable, but we have to continue to seize this moment for all the children in Gaza.